December is here. The new year is at dawn. The lights are bright, the music is loud, and the world feels alive. But every year, too many families and friends start January with a phone call they never expected. This season, you make the difference. You are responsible for yourself and for the people standing beside you. If you drink, don't drive. If your friend drinks, don't let them drive. Arrange a sleepover. Call a sober driver. Take the keys if you have to. Do whatever it takes, but don't risk a life. And remember, if you stand there and watch someone drive drunk, you are just as responsible if something happens. Let's make sure every family starts 2026 together, every seat at the table still filled. Be the friend who cares. Be the one who steps in. Be responsible. This season, lives are in your care. They are God's creation, not yours to harm. One drunk decision can steal a future, break a family, and stain your soul forever. Don't be the reason someone never sees the new year. Protect them, every single one. This season, lives are in your care, every single one.